to the friction surrounding RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat's Madison Square Garden address, the US rights body, United States Commission on International Religious Freedom, has once again released a provocative statement alleging that religious freedom was deteriorating in India and that the US must consider sanctions against RSS. The body, which is chaired by Pakistani American Asif Mahmood, said, "Religious freedom conditions in India continue to deteriorate as violence and incitement are frequently used to target religious minority communities. We urge the US government to consider targeted sanctions against RSS members and Indian officials complicit in religious freedom violations, including revoking the visa issued to Mohan Bhagwat and making him ineligible for future entry into the US." The Ministry of External Affairs condemned the call given by US CIRF to bar meetings of the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat in the US, calling the rights body biased and saying it lacked credibility. During a media briefing, MEA spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said the commission had repeatedly made incorrect and provocative statements about India and that such statements should be ignored. Ahead of the event that attracted intense public scrutiny and opposition, the Hindu American Foundation issued an official community advisory alert. Taking to X, the foundation said, "Community advisory alert. HAF is issuing the security alert in advance of the Universal Oneness celebration at Madison Square Garden in New York City. Stay vigilant, remain situationally aware, and keep interactions civil." Ahead of the event, activists targeting Hindu Americans have attempted to disrupt and cancel the celebration. We urge New York City Mayor Zohran Mamdani to uphold his sworn duty to protect all New Yorkers, including event attendees, and guarantee everyone's safety and civil rights. The security advisory comes as preparations finalize for the major gathering centered around cultural unity and community engagement. In response to these developments, the Hindu American Foundation has stepped up its advocacy efforts, pressing local municipal authorities to ensure robust security and safeguard the safety, security, and civil rights of all attendees and members of the community. Meanwhile, RSS Akhil Bharatiya Prachar Pramukh Sunil Ambekar said, "The Universal Oneness celebration in New York will be an interfaith gathering where RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat will interact with a diverse, multicultural, and multi-faith audience."